It is a nice morning. Let us go for a walk.
We walk here every day. It feels normal.
Something feels different today.
I look around. I want to see more.
Mom, is this the same path?
Yes, it is the same path.
We walk together. We enjoy the morning.
I feel quiet. I keep thinking.
We talk as we walk. It feels easy.
I look back. Maybe tomorrow feels different.
It feels bright today. We walk again.
I feel light. The path feels happy. Maybe the day is different.
It is quiet today.
I hear nothing. It feels slow. Every day feels new.
I think the path changes.
Oh, maybe it is magic.
That is an interesting idea.
I notice our days too.
Today feels happy. Yesterday felt quiet.
We see it together now.
We walk again today. It feels different.
I do not feel good.
No one says hello.
The path feels cold. I feel worried now.
Why does it feel bad today?
I feel it too. It is very quiet.
Let us slow down. Maybe we go this way.
It feels the same.
Something is missing.
People are not connecting.
I feel sad now.
We can change this. Let us pause. Let us slow down. Hello. Good morning.
I am watching.
They smile back. It feels better now.
The path feels light.
I feel okay now.
We walk together. Talking helps us.
Yes, it helps.
The path did not change.
People changed.
I feel happy again.
This feels right.